Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're comparing two of the most popular email marketing platforms, Klaviyo versus Mailchimp. Both offer robust tools for growing your email list, boosting sales, but which one is gonna be the best fit for your business? We will compare features, pricing, and ease of use to help you make the right choice. So let's begin. Klaviyo is an advanced email marketing and automation platform designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. It helps brands create targeted email campaigns, personalized messaging, and automated workflows to drive sales and build stronger relationships with customers. So once you are here on the Klaviyo website, you might want to click the pricing if you feel that this is going to be the platform for you to build, to grow with your business, which offers a flexible, transparent pricing. Now, you see that for the email and SMS, it starts with $60 per month, and you have all these perks and benefits that you can take advantage. The email is at 45. All right, and the free one is going to be perfect for getting started and trying out the Klaviyo customer platform. All you have to do is click the sign up button, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. From here, all I have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. All right, choose from any of the following. Is it going to be sell products online? Maybe let's check all of them. All right, select three more options. Click continue. This is particularly important because it helps the Klaviyo algorithm to give you better suggested templates that you can use later. And then at the final stage, you'll receive something like this. Open in Gmail. And then from here, all we have to do is open that. Confirm Klaviyo, confirm email, and voila. Let's skip for now. If you want to skip this, all right, skip it for now. Skip it because we're gonna deal with the campaigns here, which is one of the easiest features for Klaviyo. All right, click on create a campaign. Click the create a campaign here. Campaign name is gonna be this, and you can set up your email and select the tags if you want. Click on continue. You can see that you can create and send beautiful personalized email campaigns with a drag and drop editor. All right. Select a list or segment if you have that. You can slide this one if you want. All right. And from here, click on next. For example, an email list if you want. All right. And click on next. You would be forwarded here. You have the template library wherein you can select from these, so you're not going to be starting from scratch. You can choose any of the following. All right, for example, this one, you can just check the responsiveness, be it on desktop computer or in mobile. All right, if you're happy with this, you might want to click the use template. You would be forwarded now here, wherein Klaviyo allows users to run A/B tests to compare different versions of emails and optimize for better performance. And of course, you might want to click the text. You can drag and drop here, images, header bar, and a lot more. All right. You might want to click the desktop and mobile view. You also have the option to preview and test before you send a live email. You see that? All right. And from here, you can click the send test if you want. Just enter recipient email address and just click on the send button or update address if you wanted. Click on done for now. And once you click on the manage template, you can save as template or you can change template as you need. All right. You can send re-engagement emails or special offers to customers who have been inactive or have not made a purchase in a while. Now, let's go to our next contender, which is Mailchimp. It is a popular marketing automation platform and email marketing service that helps businesses manage and communicate with their audience through various channels. If you're looking about the pricing, you would notice that the standard comes at $10 per month. Right here, you have all these perks and benefits. The premium is at 175. All right. You also have the for websites, which has a different price. Core is $10, and for the free ones is 0. The transactional email is at this. All right. And all I have to do is click the sign up button for you to be able to create your account here on Mailchimp. Once you have successfully created your account here on Mailchimp, you should be able to receive a welcome email from Mailchimp, and then from here, go to the upper right corner where you can see the audience, campaigns, and account. If you click on the campaigns, you should be able to create them with ease. All right. For example, we're going to create a new one. You see, it offers pre-designed templates with customizable options. You can use the regular email, automation, and landing page. If you click on the design email, you would notice that you can start from scratch, but we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to choose the fully designed template. It's a lot easier. It will save you time. And you see the free templates right here. All right. You might want to make sure that you're only using their free templates, because if you don't, the other premium templates require a subscription plan. So for now, we're going to be choosing the basic layouts. Go to the free templates, and you might want to choose something like this, for example. Click on apply so we can have an option for the A/B testing to determine the best performing content or subject lines. You see, you can drag and drop the heading, all right, the paragraph, and even the button right here. All right, so these are one of the easiest way for you to custom workflows based on the triggers that you can put. You can put in buttons, elements, and a lot. You can also put in the survey at the bottom if you wanted. If you wanted to create a survey, you can do that. Now, you can preview what you have built so far in terms of the responsiveness for both a desktop and mobile, and for inbox as well. You can send a test email if you want. All right, just send in the email address here and click a send test. Now, I want you to click on save and exit. If you want to preview, you can also do that. Click on close. Now, you'd realize after working with Mailchimp is that this is really good for smaller businesses or those new to email marketing. All right, it's very affordable, easy to use solution with all the essential tools for running effective campaigns without needing a deep learning curve. Now, you choose Klaviyo if you are a business or marketers who want advanced segmentations, automation, and reporting, which is ideal for businesses ready to invest in scaling their email marketing efforts with highly personalized campaigns. I honestly think that both Klaviyo and Mailchimp are powerful email marketing platforms, but they are suited to different types of users and businesses. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.